केमिस्ट्री पार्ट फिफ्थ। चलिए शुरू करते हैं। द गाइडिंग फैक्टर इन फिक्सिंग अ लिमिट ऑफ टॉलरेंस फॉर सर्टन impurity is the both A and B amount of that impurity that is likely to be harmful and amount of that impurity that is likely to cause technical difficulties. Which salt is used to prepare standard solution in the limit test for chloride HNaCl? In the limit test for sulfate, alcohol is added to prevent supersaturation of barium sulfate. Which inorganic salt is used to prepare standard solution in the limit test for sulfate is potassium sulfate. In the limit test for arsenic, the arsenic gas is produced on reduction of the nascent hydrogen is arsenious acid. In the limit test for arsenic, the diameter of mercuric chloride paper should be 6.5 cm. Boric acid on heating at 100 degrees Celsius temperature forms metaboric acid. Limestone on heating gives quicklime. Soda dye is a synonym for sodium hydroxide. Muriatic acid is a synonym of hydrochloric acid. Sodium bicarbonate is acid by titration with 0.5 N sulfuric acid. Each ml of 0.5 N sulfuric acid is equivalent to 0.042 gram of NaHCO3. 1 ml of aluminum hydroxide gel should, according to IP 1996, to free from Escherichia coli. Which one of these poses high acid consumption capacity is megaldrate. Which one of these is not used as a protective is zinc sulfate. Chemically, hexamine is a CS2 6N4. Soapstone is a form of talc. Which one these is a salt used as reflux emetic is zinc sulfate. Which of the salt is used as an adjuvant in the treatment of Myasthenia gravis is potassium chloride. Which of these calcium salt is not official in IP 1996 is calcium oxide. Which one of these user is not concerned with sodium bisulfite is detoxifying agent. Disodium pyrosulfate is a synonym for sodium metabisulfite. Major ingredient of soda lime glasses are oxides of silicon, sodium and calcium. Radiation occur due to distribution in the ratio of proton and neutron. Which one of these is not a bidentate chelating agent is ammonia. Sodium potassium tartrate is also known as Rochella salt. The chemically formula of borax is Na2B4O710H2O. A widely used artificial radioisotope for organ imaging purpose is technetium 99. Epsom salt is a hydrated magnesium sulfate. Dimethylsiloxane is included in oral anti-acid preparation for its antiflutulant actions. The main medicinal use of sodium fluoride is dental caries prophylactic. The formula of sodium acid phosphate is Na2HPO4. Aluminum hydroxide is principally used as antacid. One of these reagents used in the limit test of iron is gallic acid. Kaolin is a hydrated aluminum silicate. Intravenous injection of magnesium sulfate acts as an anticonvulsant. Calomel is a mercurious chloride. The formula of bleaching powder is calcium oxychloride. CaOCl2H2O. Chromatography is used for separation of mixture. The stationary phase used in TLC is silica gel. The ratio between distance traveled by solute and distance traveled by solvent from is called RF value. Chromatographic technique commonly used for isolation of drug from plant extract is column chromatography. The light source in UV spectrometer is deuterium lamp. The range of visible light is 380 to 780 nm. Sodium bisulfite is used in the injection as antioxidant. Drug that decrease intraocular pressure is classified as antiglaucoma. Potentiometric analysis is possible to estimate drugs that have oxidation reduction potentials. The basic law that governs the colorimetric estimation is Beer-Lambert law. The following drugs are obtained from minerals except aspirin. Aluminium chloride is used as antiperspirant. Impurities in pharmaceutical preparation may be due to following sources is all of the above: raw material, manufacturing process and chemical instability. Oxygen requirement in the body can be classified into four major divisions is all of the above: anoxic, stagnant, anemic. नाइट्रस ऑक्साइड इज बोथ ए और बी, एनार्जेसिक भी होता है और एनेस्थेटिक भी होता है. टेम्पररी हार्डनेस ऑफ वाटर मे बी softened by all of these above. Boiling Clark-Lime process deionize water. Permanent hard water may be softened by all of the above. Addition of soluble carbonate, polyphosphate chelation, zeolite, all of these. Sterile water for injection may be stored in type 1 and type 2. Water attack test can be applied for treated soda lime glass. In Bronsted-Lowry concept, acid is a proton donor. HSAB categorize acid and base according to properties of all of these: size, charge, polarizability. Hard base have high electropositive. Example of strong acid is calcium. Pharmaceutical buffer system could be categorized into two: topical agent depending upon their action or use divided into all of the above: protective, antimicrobial, astringent, all of these above. Zinc oxide is used as both A or B, protective and astringents. Inorganic antimicrobial agent can be divided into all of the above: oxidation, halogenation, protein precipitate. Compounds capable of function as antimicrobial agent through oxidative mechanism are all of these: hydrogen peroxide, halogen, potassium permanganate. Halogenation mechanism occur with antiseptics are hypohalite. Hydrogen peroxide used as an antiseptic. Camphor solution are used for both of the above: antifungal and antibacterial. Silver nitrate is categorized into protein, PPT, antimicrobial agents. Fluoride inhibits kerase formation via both of the above: decrease acid solubility of enamel, decrease bacterial inhibitions. Hydroxypeptide is a mixture of calcium 2 plus salt of all of the above. Inorganic agent used to treat GIT agent is all of the above: products of altering gastric pH, productive for intestinal inflammation, adsorbent for intestinal toxins. The goal of antacid therapy: both A or B. Concentration of acid in gastric juice, gastric pH 3.5 and 7. Symptoms of achlorhydria is all of the above: mild diarrhea, frequent bowel movement, epigastric pain. Side effect of antacid therapy is acid rebound, osteomalacia, diarrhea, all of the above. All of the above. Aluminum hydroxide gel is used in the all of the above. Aluminum hydroxide gel used in the peptic ulcer. Aluminum hydroxide gel used in the peptic ulcer. Calcium containing antacid differ from aluminum containing antacid. All of the above depends upon their basic property. Do not have any amphoteric effects. Do not cause systemic alkalosis. All of this. Side effect of calcium containing antacid is all of the above: renal failure, mild alkali syndrome, hyperphosphatemia. Stimulants laxative act by local irritation of intestinal tract. Expectorant are used in treatment of respiratory tract by low viscosity of bronchial sac, low amount of refractory tract fluid as demulcent action extract. Ammonium chloride is used as the all of the above expectorant, diuretic, systemic acidifier. The acid neutralizing capacity of an antacid plant at least 5 milliequivalent of HCl per dose unit. Simethicone is a antacid. Dried aluminum hydroxide gel contain hydrated aluminum oxide and small quantities of basic aluminum carbonate and bicarbonate. Catheters are the drug used to relieve constipation. Which of the following is an example of inorganic saline expectorant? Is all of the above: potassium chloride, potassium iodide, antimony potassium tartrate. All of this is all of the above. The antioxidant action of sodium metabisulfite is due to release of SO2. Antacid act by neutralizing the gastric HCl contents. What should be ideal property for an antacid preparation? All of the above. It should not be absorbable, not cause systemic alkalosis, should buffer in the pH range 4 to 6. Antifluorilants are generally included in antacid formulation. They act by reducing the surface tension of bubble in the stomachs. Saline cathartics should not be given to patients with low sodium diet. Excessive use of magnesium sulfate leads to all of the above: hypermagnesemia, gastrointestinal irritations, watery diarrhea. Combination of antacids are prepared because an attempt to balance the constipative effect of calcium and aluminum with the laxative effect of magnesium. The major side effect associated with the saline cathartic is excessive loss of body fluid in form of water stools. Burnet syndrome is associated with the prolonged use of calcium containing antacids. Hypochloremia can be caused by salt losing nephritis, metabolic acidosis. Condition causing hyponatremia is all of the above: extreme solution loss, metabolic acidosis, Addison disease. Potassium chloride is indicated in treatment of all of the above: Meniere's syndrome, endocrine intoxication, myasthenia gravis. Potassium therapy is contraindicated in patient all of the above: impaired renal function, acute dehydration, myotonia, congestional. In physiological acid-base imbalance, K secretion will be decreased, both A or B. The amount of sodium reaching distal tubule is low. The proton secretion by kidney tubule is secreted. When total K is high, there is a passage of proton from cell into extracellular fluid causing both A and B, intracellular alkalosis and intracellular acidosis. When total body K is low, the intracellular fluid is acidic due to passage of proton into K depleted cell resulting in both A and B, intracellular acidosis, extracellular alkalosis. In metabolic acidosis is HCO3 deficient. Condition occur in metabolic acidosis in all of the above: diabetic acidosis, renal failure, diarrhea. When metabolic acidosis is acute, the treatment of NaSCO3. In metabolic alkalosis is both A and B, increased HCO3 and loss of H hydrogen. Acute metabolic alkalosis may be corrected by NaCl. In metabolic acidosis, renal function has all of the above: increased acid secretion by NaS exchange, increased NaS3 formation, HCO3 reabsorption, all of the above. The advantage of sodium lactate over sodium bicarbonate is both of the above: rapidly metabolized and it may be sterilized by boiling. Replacement therapy is needed: heavy loss of water, prolonged fever, diarrhea, all of the above. ORS has composition of NaCl, KCl, sodium nitrate and glucose. Calcium gluconate is prepared by gluconic acid and calcium carbonate. The category of calcium gluconate is calcium replenisher. The category of sodium dihydrogen phosphate dehydratase is urinary acidifier. Sodium acetate is used as for peritoneal dialysis fluids. Which one of the following is used as systemic alkalizer is sodium bicarbonate? If there is excessive secretion of CO2, which of the following condition develop acidosis? Calcium levulinate is used as calcium replenisher. Chemically, it is calcium 2-oxopentanoate dehydrogenate. Sodium chloride is used for all of the above: pharmaceutical aid, toxicity agents, fluid and electrolyte replenisher. The category of magnesium chloride is B and C, magnesium replenisher and constituent of peritoneal dialysis solution. The maintenance of constant environment in various cell tissue and body fluid physically as well as chemically is known as homeostasis. Clinically manifestation associated with the potassium is hypertension and acidosis. The principal function of chloride is all of the above: maintenance of proper hydration, maintenance of osmotic pressure, normal electrolytic balance. Calcium is essential for blood clotting. Essential element called essential, all of the above. It must occur in all healthy tissue, facilitate a great many essential life process. It must cause reproducible life process. Anemia can be caused by excessive blood loss, excessive blood formation, both. Copper has role in hemoglobin formation, ATP production by reformation, formation of fibers, elastic, all of the above. Copper deficiency can lead to leukopenia, granulocytopenia, anemia, all of the above. In Wilson disease, a condition of excess storage of copper sulfate is essential component of Fehling solution, Benedict solutions. Zinc deficiency is associated with the all of the above: impaired growth, parakeratosis, retired sexual motivations, all of the above. Iodine has been used therapeutically as all of the above: ameliorating agent in hypothyroidism, fibrocystic agent in syphilis, expectorant, all of the above. Sulfur has been used the therapeutically, all of the above. Catalytic action stimulate in allopathic fumigation. The mechanism of antidote action is by contracting the effect of person, by changing chemical nature of poison, by prevention absorption of poison into the body, all of the above. Sodium nitrate is classified as physiological antidote. Measurement of radioactivity by those depend on collection of ions, those depend on collection of photons, all of the above. Measurement of radioactivity is termed as radiation radioisometry, dosimetry. Both. The use of sodium Rosebangle in liver scan. The radiation is measured in terms of Curie, microcurie, millicurie. All of this. In a radiation change, a nucleus usually loses just one particles of alpha and beta. It is frequently accompanied by both of the above, X-ray and gamma rays. Which of the following is not a type of gas field detector? Is GM counter. Roentgen is equivalent to 2.58 into 10⁻⁴ CKS inverse 1. Beta particles penetrate tissue up to 1 cm. 1 becquerel is equivalent to 2.7 into 10⁻11 curie. 1 rad is equivalent to 10⁻2 JKh-1. Gamma rays are electromagnetic radiation with a wavelength much shorter than those of light. Each radionuclide is characterized by an invariable half-life expressed in unit of time and by the nature and energy of its radiation. The energy is expressed in all of the above: electron volt, kilovolt, electron volt, mega electron volt. The effect of radioactive particles passing through biological tissue depends upon all of the above: the ability of the radiation to penetrate tissue, the energy of radiation, the dose set of the radiations, all of the above. Calcium 47 is supplied as calcium chloride in the form of an injection. It is used as a urinary and fecal marker. Chromium 51 is supplied as sodium chromate solution or injection. It is used to label RBC. Gold 198 used in the treatment of pernicious anemia. I-125 is used as thyroid functioning to detect estimate drug hormone in the body fluids. Which statement is correct regarding the handling and storage of the radioactive element? Is all of the above. Radioactive material never be touched with hand. Sufficient protective clothing must be used while handling the material, kept in suitable label कंटेनर, ऑल ऑफ द अबव. इसी के साथ यहाँ ख़त्म होता है पूरा फार्मास्यूटिकल केमिस्ट्री फर्स्ट का वीडियो.